G'day everyone, it's Engelo Rumora here, your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo. Now, I know that a lot of you have seen my rant around a week or so ago about our company announcement. And I was very passionate and rude and raw in the way that I was expressing my feelings about all of the lenders, appraisers, and home inspectors. So I had an investor reach out to me and say, Angelo, that is all good and great, but you were just talking about how you guys, as in Ohio Cashflow, benefit from taking such drastic measures and not accepting investors that are looking at financing their deals and only willing to proceed with our selected home inspectors. So here is my quick little video for you guys, just so you know where the benefit lies for you and that it's not just a sole benefit for us. First of all, I'm a big believer in building your portfolio, the foundations of your portfolio with cash. Okay, why I'm a big believer in that is a lot of you guys have gotten burnt in the global financial crisis of 2008. You got caught with your pants down because you were over leveraged and you lost everything, okay? So now, if you did not borrow so much money, if you owned a lot of properties in the foundation of your portfolio with cash and they were unencumbered, guess what? You probably wouldn't have been bankrupt right now, and you probably wouldn't have been caught with your pants down on your entire portfolio. So when you build the foundations of your portfolio with cash, right, you are generating security. Okay, so let's say that you own 3 to 5 single family homes in your portfolio with cash. So you haven't borrowed any money to acquire these properties. They are going to be spitting out a consistent monthly cash flow no matter what the market is doing. Up, down, turn around, it doesn't matter. They will always be producing cash flow. Now, if you want to continue scaling and growing your portfolio, you will probably run out of cash and you're going to have to start using leverage. So you're going to leverage the other 5, okay? Now, if the market takes a dump and all of a sudden you are underwater, God forbid it happened in 2008, on those 5 properties, well, guess what? It's not the end of the world, guys. Because remember, you bought 3 to 5 properties, unencumbered, they're cash purchases. They are going to continue spitting out cash flow every single month to cover any losses or any downfalls or any maintenance or any vacancies on those other 5 that are highly leveraged. That is my opinion and that is my belief, so I'm stressing that to you guys. So that is why you should eliminate financing for the first few purchases. Okay, if you do not have the money, well then fucking work your ass off and figure out how to generate lump sum cash profits that you can tie up into single family homes that are going to be your buy and hold properties, and they're going to be your bread and butter investments, and they're going to be that strong foundation to your portfolio. Okay, that's the first thing. So that pretty much answers your questions in regards to why we are not willing to work with investors that are looking at financing deals off the bat. Home inspectors. Okay, so check this out. So a lot of you come to me and you say, look, I've got $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 burning a hole in my pocket. I want to put that money to good use. I want to buy a property from you ASAP. I want to buy 2, 3, 4, 5 properties from you. I want to start collecting cash flow on that money because I'm not getting any good return in the stock market. I'm not getting any good return by having my money in the bank. So I want to put it into a turnkey property. So if you are so eager to commit your funds into a turnkey property, then anyone that is delaying you in putting that money to work for you, you should be very pissed off, very frustrated, and you should want to be willing to eliminate any kinds of delays. Now, my friends, my investors, mummies and daddies, freaking brothers and sisters, people from all over the world, when you are getting an independent home inspector to come and do a home inspection on one of our properties, they are going to come up with stupid and unnecessary shit that is going to delay the closing process. It is going to delay the closing process. It is going to get me and my team very frustrated, and we will pull the deal. We have pulled more deals than we have sold because of people like home inspectors and lenders that we cannot control. Is that something that you really want? I don't think it is. Now, this is not a threat. I'm not trying to threaten you. I'm just telling you that business, entrepreneurship, and life in general is difficult enough as is. We as a company do not want any more drama than what we already have on a day-to-day basis just with real estate. Real estate is a roller coaster of a ride. There are many ups and downs. So you guys, as the investors, the last thing that you want is not being able to purchase a property and putting your money to work for you because of some dickhead home inspector that has camouflaged that home inspection to his favor, so it looks like he's actually doing a good job and justifying a payment that you have made to him of $400. That's the first thing. The second thing is, as he slaps on these stupid little things on that home inspection, just like I've showed you in the previous video, right? We then have to go and repair those issues. You have to spend more money to get him to come and re-inspect it. Then there are going to be other little issues that are going to come up, like a door scraping against the lino on the floor, and it has to be taken off and trimmed for his full satisfaction, right? Then we're going to have to get him to come out again, right? For little miscellaneous things that have nothing to do with the sustainability of the investment. Guys, we offer a 1-year maintenance guarantee. Stop pissing me off, okay? And you are going to be delayed 2 to 3 weeks on closing on that deal and starting to collect cash flow from day one. Okay, so that is where you are not benefiting. Okay, and there's a very, very high possibility that me, the Dingo here, as you can see me already in a very passionate and abrupt state of mind when it comes to these particular individuals, you are also running the risk of us just saying, you know what, we're going to keep this property for ourselves. We obviously cannot meet the demand of a very nitpicky home inspector. You do not want to trust us with the process. We cannot be of assistance to you, okay? So there is my addition to the initial rant. So I hope that you understand that this is not just about us benefiting from this process. It is about you benefiting from the process too. And it's about us sharing our perceptions with you guys and our beliefs in the passionate way that I'm expressing them to you right now, okay? So all I can say is, take us as we are or watch us as we go. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. You know the drill. Check out the description of the video. Send us a message. Give us a call. Fill out our investor application form. We're always happy to help. Okay? Always happy to help. Once again, guys, I'm Engelo Rumora, your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo. You guys have a great day.